Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online for every 30 minutes of work for free. Bear with me until the end of this tutorial if you want to know what all-in-one platform this is and what steps to follow to earn wherever you are around the world. Before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe now. Don't forget to like this video and be notified whenever there is a new post by clicking the bell icon below. Comment down if you learned anything today and let me know if you want to explore more ways of earning money. For less than 30 minutes of labor, you can make $1,000. This can be repeated numerous times. This is a website that we haven't discussed on this channel before. You won't have to bring any money out. It's worth nothing because it's completely free. This is free and applicable to all countries. If you enjoy making money online, there are plenty of opportunities all across the world. So today, we'll be assisting others with their web enterprises. Don't worry, you'll get paid for it now. To do this, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need a website to do this. And you don't need any prior experience. There's a program that can help you with that. Please allow me to explain how this works for you. It is effective. As a result, the tool we'll be using today is referred to as Sells. This can be found at Sells.com. Sells.com is a domain name that may be used to create a website and expand your online company. It's a must-have. It's a gathering place for regular people who are looking to start an internet business and sell their products. This is a marketplace where you can sell your items. It's a go-to destination for business owners who want to make money online but don't know where to start. Simply sign up for this service and sell your items. The products to be sold can either be digital or physical in nature. I'm going to show you something, a method that is suitable for beginners that enables you to earn a lot more money. It's done in a much shorter period of time. It will take you less than 30 minutes. If you follow the instructions in this video step by step, it will take you less than 30 minutes because everything will be covered in a logical manner. As you can see, this is a very trustworthy website with a rating of 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. And the owners of businesses are obtaining enormous profits on their investment. With the support of Sells.com, you can instantly start investing. It's a single, simple, and effective platform. It will allow them to sell anything and to anyone, anywhere. Also, they can make a website on their own and a store creator that is simple to utilize. As a result, it's an all-in-one platform. They will construct the website for you, market their company, and they're going to sell it both virtual and physical. It's a fantastic tool that a lot of people use. Take your company to the next level and make more money. Yes, it works all around the world, but how are you going to use it to make a lot of money online? How do you manage to make almost $1,100 with less than 30 minutes of effort? If you're not planning on selling, this platform isn't for you. Since they are seeing a return on their investment, many of them may decide to purchase the highest plan, which is $600, which is for the annual plan, which means they must pay for 12 months in advance. Which also means if you do them at $600 multiplied by 12 months, that'll be $7,200. You'll get everything done for an entire year so you can start selling on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and other places. It's been proven that they have large budgets because they already have established online businesses. Now that you know how much this tool costs, let me show you how you can make money with it. Go to Sells.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the Partners section. Right there, I'm going to click on Affiliates. which will take you to the affiliates page. Each time you introduce someone to sales, you will be paid $200 in commissions. They trust in this tool so highly that they will offer you 200% commission on your first sale, which may be up to $7,200 if you multiplied it by 2, or $14,400 if you multiply it by 2. Even if someone signs up for a monthly plan for $600, you'll make almost $1,200 in commissions for just one person. In just a minute, I'll show you exactly how you can refer this tool to a lot of business owners and how you can get at least one sign up for less than 30 minutes of work. Take a look at in here. This is a random page that comes up when they search for weight loss, and these guys are attempting to sell something through their bio, providing that they're already running an online business. And now I can DM this person so that I can follow them and tell them how sales will benefit them and how sales will do all the work for them. It'll allow them to make a lot more money and build a real online business with this tool. Just don't be spammy and say something like, "Hey, I see you're selling this through your page and I did the same thing recently. And then I found this tool that really helped me scale up my business and make a lot more money." I mean, it's just chatting with them and telling them this is the tool that I've used and then sending them your affiliate link so they can sign up. And since they're already selling on Instagram, Facebook, or even Google, they probably know that they can get a massive return on their investment, and they obviously want to scale their business. They want to make more money and are willing to invest in those tools. Naturally, not every person you message will respond or purchase the product, but even if 1 out of 10 people does, that's less than 10 minutes of messaging random people on Instagram, Facebook, or Google, and you may make a lot of money online because the commissions are so substantial. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Sales.com pays a lot of money in commissions, and it's a great tool. So all of those business owners will be grateful and happy because you've helped them scale up their business or run their business with a legit tool that's doing all the work for them. They'll have a lot more time on their hands, but they'll make a lot more money. So it's a wonderful technique if you want to maximize your results and find even more people selling online to whom you can send your sales affiliate link. You can also go to Facebook and find millions of different groups for any specific niche you can think of. I'm not going to tell you to spam your affiliate link in those groups because that's obviously not going to work. But instead, you can reach out to the group's owner because he or she may be able to help you. They have an audience in that group, so you can tell them about it and tell them about sales and leave your affiliate link over there. I wanted to just contact group owners, so don't spam your affiliate link in those groups because you'll get banned, but instead reach out to the website's owner because they're real people. They most likely already have a budget to invest that much money to sell. And you only need one sale or a $600 plan to make about $1,200 in commissions. And it can be literally take you less than 30 minutes of labor to recommend all of those folks. So head over to sales.com once more. Find out more about how it works and how it can benefit others. Learn more about sales services so you can tell your prospect customers about them. Then go to Instagram, Facebook, or Google and look for business owners, page owners, or groups to tell them all of benefits that sellers can have on their online business and simply leave your affiliate link out there. You saw that it doesn't get any easier than that. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new stuff. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of our next videos.